imagine una kill up on yourself but Nicki Minaj a lower standard and Nicki Minaj a come out herself for mingle with the Jamaican TikTokers. Somehow no worship vanity and status too much. You worship vanity and status too much and money. You understand? Nicki Minaj I'm gonna know say a humanity over vanity. How is mix and mingling with another human being lowering your standards?
I see a couple people saying, why would the queen lower her standards? Could you imagine thinking that a normal human being is a lowered standard? Could you imagine, Barbs, Jamaica TikTok does not know that my brand that has been successful for almost 2 decades started off with me speaking to just the regular, everyday people, and that I still do.
The Scoop.
What a go on, my people? What a go on? Welcome back to The Scoop with Michelle. So guys, I come across a video of Nicki Minaj and she addressed the Jamaicans them we have a problem with who she's gifting and who she mix and mingle with. You understand? And me have to say me agree 100% with her. Because someone really and truly bright. You guys should be appreciative. And say Janu, a big superstar like Nicki Minaj, out of all the communities on TikTok, and there's so much communities on TikTok, she chose to mix and mingle with the Jamaican people. But the heights of bad mind was somehow not have, and the level of bad mind was somehow not have, just because on a phone platform Nicki Minaj depend, I don't say she a lower standards. Because guess what? The people when Nicki Minaj and mix and mingle with, only look upon them as a lower class. Only look upon them as lower class. Because them probably not have the education or the money or the vanity them. They don't achieve certain vanity. So no look down upon them. Uno no shame. Oh, you think that Nicki Minaj reach the spot she reach right now? Are the same people them where Uno look down upon, put her which part she there. That's why she remember which part she come from. And that is why some of Uno in Jamaica Uno cannot angle success. Because as soon as you become successful, Uno don't remember where Uno come from. And Uno look down upon the little man, we're putting which part Uno there. Uno start look down upon the little man, we're putting which part Uno there. Uno forget completely say, and the little man buy my album, and the little man stream me music, and the little man watch my podcast. The Bible say, thou shalt not sit in the seat of the scornful. You know what I mean? I must not sit with anybody who scorn another person. Thou shalt not sit in the seat of the scornful. Someone who's scornful bad. Someone who's very scornful. Who look down upon people. Who look down upon others. How dare you not say Nicki Minaj a lower standard and Nicki Minaj a come out herself for play with the Jamaican, for mix and mingle with the Jamaican rankers and make people disrespect her. I just saw a world go. I saw a world go. I know first people that disrespect Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj used to disrespect. Once you're in the spotlight, people are going to disrespect you. Once you're in the spotlight, you're going to be disrespected. Nicki Minaj know all of that. Nicki Minaj knows that not everybody are going to love you. Some don't understand. I don't like say Nicki Minaj come on the media and I play much and I beg people nothing. So she a lower standard. She not beg nobody nothing. She's giving. She's giving to others. And she a mix and mingle with the Jamaican people them. But because I know uno, because I sound stay you know. As long as I know uno the thing happen to you know, have everything negative to say. Uno no learn to be happy for others. Uno no learn to be happy for others. Come in no own feel look down upon our own Jamaican people. We know them baga. We know they not no manners. We know them very disrespectful. But if Niki wants to mix and mingle with them, it's her choice. She's a big woman. You don't feel like Niki know what she do. If Niki never love it over here, she wanna be over here. There are so many different communities on TikTok that Niki could have associated herself with. And she chose the Jamaican community because she loves our culture. Niki knows how baga mix up. I love problem and drama. I'm telling you, some of the so gullible. Who knows to say the TikToker then cuss every minute and bring down them one another and then they talk back and be back friend. There's something called content. Some of them cussing at them content. Some of them cussing at them content. But some of them don't understand. Some of them don't watch things with sense. Who don't understand, who not ready for 2025, who not live way back in the days. Who not live back a time and everything want to see on the media go like how it seems. The woman said the more you talk, and the more she will give apps.
Listen, the more you say is the more I'ma do. The more you say is the more I'ma give your ops. Just to show you that you can't and won't stop anything.
And somehow just plain bad mind. Choose and uno get the gift. Learn to be happy for people. Or wait pound of time. Wait pound of time. Uno time will come one day. Wait pound of time. Leave the lady alone. Someone who love vanity and worship vanity too much. The lady come over here so I gift the Jamaicans them. Remember, we know that the struggles is real. We know that the struggles of Jamaica is real. You know how much Jamaicans couldn't accomplish what they accomplish without TikTok. One box food out of people more to as in a happen for no. Wait to no turn, man. Leave the woman alone, make she do what she want to do. I fear her money she has spent and I fear her life to mix and mingle with whoever she want to mix and mingle with. So I'm not too vain. I'm not too vain. It's all about vanity, we don't know. All about vanity. No little bit of humanity. No humanity. Nicki Minaj, she her own big woman and she her own boss. She's a queen. She can do whatever she feel like do. She can rap with anybody. I could have even the madman and the homeless man on the streets. If she want to. Who are you guys to tell Nicki what to do and what not to do? Are we Jamaicans alone put down each other? Because we don't have no love in our hearts. We don't have no love as a nation. And anytime we see like something go on for your next man, we become envious. Yeah, I will start talk. Because I don't know how we come tell Nicki say, Nicki, you lower your standard. Nicki, you come on with yourself. What? Like seriously? This goes to show how some of uno frightened with vanity, car, chain, clothes. Uno no matter about in yourself. Uno pretty on the outside but uno ugly on the inside. The woman a mix and mingle with the Jamaican people. I want to tell the woman say she a lower standard. To mix with uno own people. Uno own people I want to put down. Uno say uno a idiot. Uno say uno a fool. Uno a idiot or uno a fool. So my uno is so big and selling out. Uno quick to sell out uno one. Quick to sell out uno one, man. Uno no real, uno no straight. Uno bend up. You think Nicki a saint? Nicki a no saint. Nicki can cuss. Nicki know if you cuss and drag and bring down any one of them cuss and class. Nicki can cuss and class them too. Nicki can cuss and class them too. You understand? So you no need to tell Niki say she alright. Make she stay with her Jamaican friend them. Make she mix and mingle with the people them what she choose to mix and mingle with. Pan the Jamaica side of TikTok. You know say Nikis are down to earth. The woman they not frightened for vanity. And you know alone frightened. Leave her alone, make she stay she her own big woman. She can choose for herself. She know what she do. You know go on like Niki mouth nice. Niki mouth not nice. Niki mouth light. Niki know if you cuss them tell them say. You know what Niki say? Any girl when have them pick me beside them can't talk to me. She know everything what go on. She know everything what go on. Alright? Anyway guys, look up on yourself, work good and spread love. Alright?
The Scoop.